This Remax Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. Gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home with hardi-board and stone exterior on approximately 16.06 acre corner lot between Shelby and Fallston. Barn approximately 32 feet by 36 feet, with 4 stalls, a tack room, 3 attached lean-to sheds and an RV shed with 30-amp plug, pasture with electric fence, open floor plan, vaulted ceilings in the general living area and in the primary bedroom, freshly painted inside, beautiful hardwood floors. Living room has a stone fireplace with gas logs. Kitchen has a breakfast bar, stone backsplash and lots of cabinets. Laundry room is spacious and has overhead cabinets and a storage closet. Refrigerator, washer and dryer remain. Primary bedroom is huge and has a large walk-in closet and a breathtaking view through a large front window. Primary bath has a double vanity, jetted tub and walk-in shower. Large front porch with a great view and a rear deck, both great places for relaxing. Rinnai tankless water heater. Double carport with an unfinished bonus room above, approximately 340 square feet, which is heated with a mini split heat pump. Underground dog fence. This property is a must-see. For more information,